At Sumitomo Tires, we're here to help drivers choose the right tires for their vehicles and share tips for maximizing safety and performance on the road. One of the common concerns customers have is how to go about putting on their new tires correctly. Here's a quick review of the steps involved in a safe and successful tire installation. Tire installation process. Step 1. Removal. To start, the vehicle is put on a lift, and the technician unbolts the lug nuts and removes the tire and rim from the vehicle. Step 2. Demount. The next step is the demount, where the technician unscrews the valve stem and deflates the tire, then separates it from the rim. Step 3. Mount. Then the valve stem is replaced, and the new tire is attached to the rim. Step 4. Balance. The technician then attaches weights to the rim to counteract the imbalance. Step 5. Install. Finally, the mounted and balanced tire is installed on the vehicle, and the lift is brought back to the ground. Ideally, you'll want to try and replace all 4 tires at the same time to ensure stable and even support. When that's not an option, and you're replacing only 2 tires at a time, be sure to mount the new tires on the rear axle, which adds traction and increased overall safety to your vehicle. Keep in mind that alignments are not always included in installations, but are a good idea to help prevent premature aging and minimize wear and tear. When you set out to find the right tires for your ride, trust Sumitomo Tires to get you there. Learn more at sumitomotire.com.